Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to add an emoji as a community photo on WhatsApp web using your PC. This new update makes it easy to customize your community icon with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find the Community section. Click on it to access your list of communities. Next, select the specific community you'd like to update. Once inside the community, click on its name at the top. This will open the settings menu for that community. Now, locate the option labeled Add Community Icon. Click on it, and you'll see multiple choices appear. From these, select Emoji and Sticker. This is where the fun begins. You'll now have access to a variety of emojis and stickers. Browse through the options and choose the emoji that best represents your community. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking the checkmark or confirmation button. And that's it. Your chosen emoji is now set as the community photo for your WhatsApp web group. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your space and make it stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might enjoy customizing their communities too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.